Are you in need of a smartphone but on a tight budget? Well, I've got you covered. Hey guys, Von your Fugatech, and today I'll be listing down the top smartphones under 5K. So you guys were asking for this in our previous top smartphones video, so let's do this. So here's how I filtered the smartphones in this list. First, the phone should be officially launched in the country, which means it should be in the Philippines and is already available in the market. Next, the prices in the list should be the SRP or the suggested retail price, which means that unofficial prices from other sellers like online or offline are not considered. So first in this list that I will be talking about is the Cherry Mobile brand. So Cherry Mobile has a lot of smartphones released last year, starting with the Cherry Mobile Flare S7 Lite. So basically, this phone has a 5.5-inch display, an 18:9 screen aspect ratio, and its main feature, and the reason why I included this phone in the list, is because it has a dual rear cameras. So the price of the Cherry Mobile Flare S7 Lite is 3,299 pesos. Next on the list is the Cherry Mobile Flare S7 Power. So for 3,699 pesos, you'll already get a fingerprint scanner and a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, which is good. It's really big for an entry-level smartphone. Next is the Cherry Mobile Flare S7 Max. So if you love music and you like to listen to it on a loudspeaker, then this phone is for you. It has 16 gigs of storage, which is plenty enough to store music on an MP3 file format. And it has dual speakers, which is the main feature of this phone. So for 3,699 pesos, it's definitely worth checking out. So next up on this list is the Cherry Mobile Flare J2 Prime. So its main feature is its large display, 19:9 screen aspect ratio, a notch design which is the current trend nowadays, and an HD Plus display. So for 3,699 pesos, I'm pretty sure that you like this phone, especially if you are fond of watching videos. Next on this list is the Cherry Mobile Flare S7 Prime. So its main feature is a 13-megapixel front camera. So if you're into selfies, I definitely recommend this phone for you. So the Cherry Mobile Flare S7 Prime is priced at 3,999 pesos. So last in the Cherry Mobile list is the Cherry Mobile Flare S7. So of all the Cherry Mobile smartphones that I've mentioned earlier, this one is probably the best one among them. So it has a 5.5-inch HD Plus display, a 13-megapixel plus 2-megapixel front and rear cameras, fingerprint scanner, and a USB Type-C port, which is, by the way, very rare in this price segment. So the Cherry Mobile Flare S7 is priced at 4,599 pesos for the 2GB RAM variant, while the 3GB RAM is priced at 4,999 pesos. So the next phone that we'll be talking about will be coming from the STARMOBILE brand. It's the STARMOBILE Up XTREME. So its main feature is its 2.5D XTREME screen, which can withstand scratches, drops, heavy impacts, and pressure. So for 3,999 pesos, you'll get a very durable smartphone. Next on this list is the Cloudphone Thrill Boost 3. So it's not as good as the other smartphones mentioned earlier, but it has a 5.45-inch display and a removable battery. So it is priced at 2,999 pesos. So next up is the Nokia One. This smartphone is actually the smallest smartphone in the list and is one of my favorites since it's very compact and very easy to handle. So it has a 4.5-inch display and is only priced at 3,990 pesos. So if we had the smallest display smartphone in the list, we also have the largest smartphone display in this list. And that is the MyPhone My NX1. So it has a 6.18-inch display, a 19:9 aspect ratio, a fingerprint scanner, and it is only priced at 4,290 pesos. So another MyPhone device is the MyPhone My NX9. So for the price of 4,999 pesos, you'll get a fingerprint scanner and a face unlock feature. So last one on our list is the Xiaomi Redmi 5A. It is actually the best performing smartphone in this list because of its Snapdragon 425 chipset. So if you're into performance, then you should get the Xiaomi Redmi 5A for 4,590 pesos. So I know what you're thinking. What if I have little more money or little more than 5,000 pesos? Well, here are a few options that you can get. Xiaomi Redmi 6A, Honor 7A, Realme C1, Cherry Mobile Flare S7 Deluxe, Oppo A3s, Oppo A83, Nokia 3.1, and the Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus. So what's good about these smartphones is that they have a better display, better performance, better cameras, better storage, and better battery life. So if you have extra cash, then I suggest that you go for one of these phones. And that wraps up our top smartphones under 5,000 pesos. So I hope this helps you decide which smartphone to get under a tight budget. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Also, be sure to visit yugatech.com to get the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Vaughn, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!